Welcome to an AugTool demonstration that shows you Forex purchases with landed cost. Managing landed costs properly creates an accurate gross margin for each unit of stock, ensures you do not overpay your subcontractors, and allows you to price far more strategically. In AugTool, you can easily configure multiple currencies for purchasing from overseas suppliers. Foreign exchange rates are provided automatically as a daily spot rate and can be overridden with user-defined periodic exchange rates. A periodic spot rate allows you to put in an exchange rate for a specific period. Let's create a PO and plan for our landed costs. As soon as you select the supplier, the currency will change to the default foreign currency set up for that supplier, or you can select another approved currency. You will notice that the periodic exchange rate set up for US dollars pulls through. Select your item and it will pull through the US dollar price. The tax code will also default to the exempt tax code because the supplier has been marked as a foreign company. We are purchasing 1,000 TVs and plan to receive them in Cape Town warehouse. However, we must account for the expected landed costs. You can add landed cost items in various currencies, depending on the supplier and where they are providing the service. The shipping is from Pan-Atlantic Shipping, and the warehouse service is from Express Warehousing. We invoice and pay our shipping in US dollars, and our Express Warehousing is a local company that invoices us in rands. On the purchase order, you will see the item being purchased as well as the landed costs. The printed purchase order will not show the landed costs, only the product item being purchased. At this stage, landed costs are only an estimation since you have not yet received the documents from the respective suppliers. After posting the PO, you will see the expected landed costs on the itemized ordered landed cost report. Here, you can view which landed costs have not yet been incurred so that you can plan for this in your cash flow. Our inventory has arrived and now we can receive it in AugTool. However, we were not able to receive it in Cape Town and the shipment was rerouted to Durban where it landed. Once the goods are received, the cost of the product together with the landed costs will form the total cost of the product in our base currency. The total cost, including landed costs, is what will be accounted for on your balance sheet and stock reports, and should be used to mark up your product. The itemized landed costs report shows the landed costs that have been incurred when goods receipts have been finalized. This report will also show you the current liability raised on your balance sheet and which suppliers to expect documents from to invoice. With this report, you can match the incurred landed costs to invoices received from your landed cost suppliers. To do so, raise a supply invoice for the incurred landed costs associated with a particular supplier. Link to the goods receipts. Edit the document to check prices. And post to move the expected landed liability to the creditor. On a few express landed items, there were price differences due to overshortage that will be accounted for in the landed variance cost account. You can also view the value of open landed costs on the general ledger report. An outstanding balance on this report indicates that there are goods receipts that still have to be invoiced. This report enables you to view the correct weighted average cost of the product to be able to maximize profit with strategic pricing. The total stock value of televisions across all your warehouses, including all associated landed costs. The current weighted average across all your warehouses, used to strategically add your markup. You can also use the product stock detailed report to view the currently weighted average of every product in every location, so as to build your price lists accurately and profitably. AugTool highly recommends accounting for landed costs in an efficient and effective way as demonstrated in this video. This will show you a far more accurate GP on your income statement, allow you to price more strategically, and ensure you are not overcharged for any service that was required to get your goods onto your premises. Please reach out to us should you want to learn more. Thank you for watching.